Hey guys, just showing you our little blizzard here. This is my backyard. Sure, it's been plowed right up here, but in the middle, I'd say there's 5-6 foot of snow drifts. We'll walk over here a little bit where they shoveled a path here around the house here. As you can see, this is the snow we've got the last 36 hours. Look at this. This is just unreal, man. We haven't had a snowstorm like this in quite a while. Come out after they got everything shoveled out and everything, and warming up the car. But yeah, this is what the town of Michigan City looks like, guys. We got some snow. Just a little bit. This is where they plowed here by the dumpster. You can see the mounds here. Getting kind of dark, but over here in the light you can see. As you know, we got some snow. Hey, y'all stay safe and warm. Love y'all. Peace. I'm out. Well, if the damn video will stop. I think my phone just froze.